How you doing, everybody? Angel Diaz from Audi, Volkswagen in Fall River, and today coming at you with another how-to video, and I want to show you guys how to use the self-parking. All right, so coming to you in about 2 seconds, we're going to show you how to self-park this 2023 Audi Q7. Let's go dive right into it. All right, guys, so first step we're gonna do is first we gotta find a parking spot. Step one, we have found a parking spot right there, right in between those two vehicles. That is where we will attempt to park this vehicle with the self parking functionality. All right, step two, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put it in drive, and you see this button over here? That is the button for the self-parking. Hit that sucker. Check out that screen. It will check the surroundings and look for a parking space. So what you want to do is you want to drive past the parking spot. All right. Over here is gonna tell you to pick a couple selections, how you want to park. If you want to park it in forward or back it in, how about we just back it in for now? All right. Click that. Go a little forward. It pretty much guides you there. Bam, there you go. Put the brake on. Now you go back to the park assist button and you just hold it in. Let go of the brakes and it will do it for you. There we go. Note what it's doing. Go, it'll stop it. Now it's going forward. I am not doing anything. All I'm doing is holding the park assist button. As you can see, steering wheel is adjusting on its own. There you go. And there you have it, guys. That's how you do it. Check that out. You don't need anybody to help you park your car. If you get this Audi, it will help you park on its own, guys. All right, folks, and there you have it. So the rule of thumb is, first, you want to find a parking space. Once you find that parking space, it will give you a couple options on the side how you want to park. If you want to park in going forward, let it back in, or if you have to parallel park. Once you pull forward, all you have to do is hit the brakes. Once you hit the brakes, you already engaged the park assist, all right? And then you just hold that park assist button and it will do everything on its own, guys. So I just want to thank everybody. Thank you guys for helping me. Well, not helping me, but you know, joining me in this video and doing this how-to, because it's very important. Everyone should know how to use that functionality. People have these vehicles and they don't use that. That is kind of fun to do. I'm not gonna lie, I had some fun. Thank you, everybody. Angel Diaz, Audi, Volkswagen, Fall River. If you need any help, any questions, 508-678-5555. Give a shout out to my camera girl, Kayla, KK, the best. Take care, everybody.